Hello everyone, this is Helen from the Brokedown Vanity blog. I am trying this YouTube thing again, and today is something not really beauty related, but I got this cool bag from Valley Village, and it's got a bunch of like craft stuff in it, but I can't really see what all exactly is in it, and I thought it would be interesting to unbag on camera so you guys could see basically what I got in here too. And some of this stuff looks really old. Like these are really cool. What are they? For cross stitch. Oh, so it encases them in an actual frame, so not only is your cross stitch, you know, able to be hung somewhere or something, but it won't get dusty and whatnot, so it's almost like a little locket that you can hang somewhere. So there's actually a few of those. I kind of got this bag because I thought these were cool. So, I guess you can put photos and stuff in them too, but I'll probably just be repurposing them somehow. And creepy baby face. Oh, I think I'll give those to my daughter. She can play with those. Because, yeah, those are creepy. Standard type cleaners. Those might be knitting stitch counters, I'm not too sure. Not ribbon, this is more like wrapping ribbon. Lots of shells. Not totally sure. Some sort of Crayola pen. I like all these shells. What's that? Velcro straps of some sort. Pins. See, bow pins. Do all sorts of different crafting things, so they open the side piece. I'm not too sure what you would use those for, but I'll look it up. You know what, my initial thought is if you glued them down and painted them like a metallic color, they could be like spikes. Maybe something I can use for my son's battlefields for his army men. Sounds sort of morbid, but some popsicle sticks. These are always handy. See, this is more like ribbon and less like gift wrap. It's got actual wire in it too, so you can make nice bows. Glue. Well, it looks like there was a container of these little hearts, and now they're all, I accidentally put them all out. Confetti, wedding confetti. I could just take the couples out of there and use the hearts and whatnot. Give the couples to my daughter, she'll play with those. There's a whole bunch of them in here. And another one. Another thing that had attracted me to the bag, because I could kind of see it poking out the end. Wasn't these, but those are cool. Was these. I saw the one corner. They're rub-ons. Scott looking. Yeah, those are cool. I'll figure out a cool use for those. And then at the very bottom, there's these little. Oh, are they scents? You can essential oils you can add to things. Okay, sorry. So yeah, at the very bottom are these. Oh, there's another one. Just gonna give it. Yeah, they're for like totally for scenting things. I'm not quite sure what you are allowed to put them in, like if they're for candles or whatnot. I'll have to try to look. But that's kind of cool. And then we've pretty much just got more nifty shells and things. So the bag was $2.99, and I think, you know, it was a decent deal. I got some things that I will personally use for whatnot, and then and especially like this kind of stuff can be hard to find now. Like, we don't have White Rose in Canada anymore. We do have Michael's, but I've never seen anything really like this, and it's really nifty, so I mainly got it for these. I didn't know what I was going to do with them, but I'll figure it out. Anyways, well, thank you for spending some time with this unbagging with me, and maybe you can find some treasures at your local Value Village too. And for those of you that might be from the States, Value Village is like our Canadian version of Values. I think it's called Value Savers in the States. They're owned by the same company, so they're pretty much run the same way. So they should have like a craft section on the wall, and they'll have bags of stuff that has been donated, and you can just pick what you like and get it and then bring it home and make whatever with your treasures. Okay, bye.